Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CB1000R. This super sport naked just arrived with just 36,000 miles, beautiful condition, brand new rear tire, awesome sounding exhaust system. Wait till you hear that. Fender eliminator. It's got a little windscreen. Come on by. Make your street fighter leader bike dreams come true for just $89.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.